Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the different uses and benefits of artificial intelligence at every level of an organization, from operational staff to the CEO. AI has become a strategic ally, adapting to the specific needs of each level and improving the efficiency of the company as a whole. We will see how AI automates tasks, optimizes processes, and facilitates decision-making, benefiting everyone in the organization. If you are looking to integrate AI in your company and understand how it can impact every area, stay until the end of the video. For operational personnel, AI simplifies manual and repetitive tasks, improving both work quality and safety. We see how automating routine tasks, such as inventory management and facility cleaning, saves time and optimizes resources. AI-enabled cleaning robots and sensors that monitor environmental conditions are practical examples of how AI improves the work environment. A McKinsey study indicates that such automation can reduce operating costs by 10 to 15% in commercial buildings. AI also facilitates back-office tasks for administrative staff, automating data entry, document validation, and reporting processes. RPAs allow reducing time in manual processes and minimizing errors. For example, in the banking sector, the use of RPA in the review of credit documents reduces time spent by 50%, speeding up loan approvals and improving customer satisfaction. AI benefits supervisors and managers by providing predictive analytics that facilitate planning and decision-making. From logistics optimization to talent management, AI enables managers to forecast demand and adjust their strategies in real time. According to a Deloitte study, companies applying predictive analytics have increased their sales planning accuracy by 20 to 30%, improving their supply chain efficiency and reducing costs. For directors and senior management, AI offers advanced tools to optimize organizational performance and manage risks. AI-powered business intelligence allows you to analyze market trends and assess business performance in real time. AI facilitates informed decision-making, helping managers identify growth opportunities and adapt business strategy to market changes. For the CEO, AI is crucial in digital transformation and innovation leadership. This image presents how CEOs define AI strategies, aligning the company's vision with long-term growth objectives. AI enables executives to monitor the productivity and efficiency of the entire organization through real-time dashboards. A Harvard Business Review article indicates that CEOs leading digital transformation have increased profitability by 10%, driving new market opportunities and optimizing organizational structure. Here we look at a summary of how AI benefits every level of the enterprise, from automating operational tasks to strategic decision-making. AI not only improves efficiency, but also enhances innovation and strengthens competitiveness in a dynamic marketplace. Companies that integrate AI at every level will be better prepared to meet the challenges of the future and take full advantage of the opportunities of the digital age. If you want to implement AI in your organization to improve efficiency at all levels, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we can develop an AI strategy that empowers every area of your business and prepares it for the future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.